Good morning class. This video is related to comparison of number, means we are going to find out in given some number which one is smaller number and which one is greater number. Then after we are going to arrange some numbers in ascending order and descending order. So first of all you have to keep 2 points in your mind. First point is the number having more digit is greater than the others. So if we are taking two numbers and they all are of different digits numbers, means if one is 2-digit number and second one is 3-digit number, so the number which is having more digit number, that is bigger number as compared to other. So here I am taking example of one digit number and one 3-digit number and one 2-digit number. So this is 3-digit number and this is 2-digit number. So number having more digit. So in which number there is a number which is having more digit? 125 is having more digit as compared to 25 because it is 2-digit number and it is 3-digit number. So clearly out of these two numbers, it is bigger, it is greater as compared to this number. Okay. And in second point, in 3-digit number, firstly compare the 100 digit. If they are same, then compare the tens digit. If again they are same, then compare the ones digit. Means if I am taking two numbers and they all are of same digit numbers, means if they all are of 3-digit number, 125 and then 135. This is of 3-digit number. So firstly we are going to compare the number which is in highest place value. Highest place value means the number which is in 100 place. So I am comparing these two numbers, 1 and 1. So this 1 is 1 and 1, these two are equal number. So via comparing the numbers which is in 100 place, we are not going to get any conclusion that which one is bigger or smaller, because 1 and 1, these are the same numbers. So then we are going to compare the number which is in next place value, means tens place value. Here it is 2 or it is 3. So 125 and 135. Out of it is 2 and 3. In 2 and 3, 3 is bigger as compared to 2. So via comparing numbers in the tens place, we are coming to the conclusion that 135 is greater number as compared to 125. But again, if we are not getting any conclusion in tens place also, then we are going to compare the number which is in ones place. So if the number is like this, 125 and 127, so 100 place are same, 1, not getting any conclusion. Then comparing 2 and 2, tens place number, it is also same. Again we are not getting any conclusion. Then only we are moving to the other place value, ones. And here 5 and 7, out of 5 and 7, 7 is a bigger number. So these 127 should be the bigger number. Okay. But if the number is like this, 125 and 225, firstly where we will compare, we will start the comparison from the highest place value, means 100 place. In 100 place, here is 1 and here it is 2. So out of 1 and 2, which one is bigger? So here clearly we will get 2 is bigger as compared to 1, so it is a bigger number. So when we are getting some numbers of same digit, we are starting the comparison between the numbers from highest place value. Then we are moving to the next place value number. Then lastly we are moving to the next place value number, means starting from 100 place numbers. Then if we are not getting any conclusion, then tens place, then ones place. Okay. So here some questions from your book. In the very first question, write the greater number. Two numbers is given here, 793 and 983. So what we are going to do? We are going to compare number in the 100 place. So here out of 983 and 793, this is the place of 100 and this is. So out of 7 and 9, which one is bigger? In 7 and 9, 9 is bigger as compared to 7. So here simply we will get that 983 is a greater number. But if we are not getting any conclusion in 100 place, then we are going to compare the numbers in the next place value. But here in 100 place value, we are getting the conclusion that 7 out of 7 and 9, clearly 9 is a greater number. So it is greatest number. Ring the smaller number. Again, it is the number of 3-digit number and it is 2-digit number. So what was our first point? The numbers having more digit is greater than the other. Means in that number there is a greatest more digit, that will be the greatest number. So 351, here it is 3-digit number and it is 2-digit number, and we have to find out the smaller number. So this 2-digit number is a smaller number out of these two numbers. Okay. Now find the smallest number. 4 numbers is given here and you have to find out the smallest one. So compare the number which is in 100 place value. 6, 2, 6 and 5. So out of this 6, 2, 6, 5, which one is smaller? 2 is smaller. So clearly these 256 is a smallest number. Now find the greatest number. Again start the comparison from 100 place. 3, 1, 3 and 2. So out of 3, 1, 3 and 2, which one is bigger? 3 is bigger. But here it is two number, 391 and 319. These two numbers starting from 3 in their 100 place. So we have to compare the tens place of these two numbers. So here it is 9 and it is 1. So out of 9 and 1, which one is greater? 9 is greater. So these 391 is the greatest number and in these 4 numbers. Okay. Now arrange the number in ascending order. What is ascending order and descending order? When we are arranging some numbers from smaller to bigger, smallest to greatest, that arrangement is called ascending order. Means first number should be smallest, then bigger, bigger, and it will be biggest, largest. This arrangement of number is called ascending order. But again in opposite, when we are arranging some numbers and descending from biggest, from greatest to smallest number, that is called descending order. Means first number should be greatest, then smaller than this, then smaller than this, then smaller, and then smallest. Means from bigger to smaller, that is called descending, and from smaller to bigger, that is called ascending order. So here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is the smallest number and it is greatest number. So it is called the arrangement of ascending order, and here vice versa. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It is the greatest number, then smaller than this, then smaller than this, then smaller than this, then it is the smallest number. This arrangement is called the descending order. Okay. So here arrange the numbers in ascending order. Ascending means smaller to bigger. So in 4 these number, you have to find out firstly which one is the smallest number. So starting comparison of 100 place value, 6, 3, 4 and 6. Which one is the smallest in these 4 number? 3 is the smallest. So it is come in the order of first because it is the smallest number. Then after 3, 4, so it should be come in the arrangement in second number. But 653 and 642, 6 and this 6, this is same. So we are not getting in conclusion between these two numbers. So now we are moving to the next number, tens place value 5 and 4. So out of 5 and 4, which one is bigger, which one is smaller? So this 4 is smaller. So in arrangement of ascending order, it should come in the order of 3 because it is smaller. It is smaller as compared to this number, and it is the greatest number. So in these 4 numbers, this is smallest number, then bigger from this number, then bigger from this number, and lastly it is the greatest number. So arrangement should be like this: 356, then 491, then 642, and lastly 653. It is smallest number and it is greatest number. This is the arrangement of ascending order. Now you have to arrange some numbers in descending order. Means firstly you have to find out which one is greatest number, then smaller from above, then smaller from above, then smallest number. So out of, we are going to compare the value which is in 100 place: 2, 8, 7 and 2. So which one is greatest number here? Out of this 2, 8, 7, 2, it is greatest, so it will become in the first number. Then after 8, 7 should be in second order. So 722 is the second number in descending order. Now compare the number 278 and 287. 2 and 2, this is same number. So we are not getting any conclusion. So we are moving to the next number which is in tens place value. Here it is 7 and here it is 8. So out of 7 and 8, which one is smaller number? So which one is bigger number? So these 8 is bigger as compared to 7. So it should become in the third number and it is the smallest number. So the order should be like this: 872, 728, 287 and 278. So this is the arrangement in descending order. It is greatest number and it is smallest number. So like this you have to compare some numbers and find out the smallest number and bigger number, and also arrange them in ascending and descending order. Ascending means from smaller to bigger and descending means from bigger to smaller. Okay class, thank you. Please solve all questions, and this chapter is finished now. I hope you all understand and understood all the things which is given in this chapter. That's all for today. Thank you class.